योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्।
Virtual online community, social networking site, internet forum, chat room, multiple games, way to publish and share content or internet, blog, broadcast, photo, video, audio. So many networking sites, social networking sites available in various platforms on www, on web, and on Android and Mac, Windows-based system. Various internet forums are available on virtual cloud network. Various chat room also available. Multiple layers. In time we will sometime we are not out. So many people are playing group game. Also some people are chatting common grouping. The internet famous. Also why to publishing our shared content. Share content to internet by blog, broadcast, photos, video, audio. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Google Plus, LinkedIn, RSS feed, blog, Skype, WhatsApp, Evernote, Amazon, Android, app, web app, Dropbox, so many applications and virtual services available for community. So whenever we are going to use these types of virtual services and publishing content, that time we require advice how to protect oneself while using virtual community. The protect privacy profile. Whenever you create a profile, that time so many uh, privacy are coming. Your profile to public, your friends only, you only. Whenever you create a Facebook profile, that time you have three options. Your comment, photograph, share, and personal information to who will share with you. Your friends, open on public, only friends, your mutual friends. This type of privacy are available. So please protect privacy your profile. The limited publishing and use your personal data. Whenever you have to publish our data, there must be a geographical area required. So we are publishing this information only for Gujarat, Rajasthan, in India, worldwide. This is publishing area. Also, same feature of that privacy protected. You will share with only India and your friends. You will share with outside of India. Published information can be publicly accessible. You have put your own information as Facebook and how the view in public side. You have put all your information on your various accounts, but you are required in your hand how many information the publicly available and accessible. You can do one thing. Some personal information may be not shared with all people, so privacy is required. Be continuous while communicate stranger. Computer in workplace. Task most suitable in computer environment. Respective task. Easy automated task. Mathematical operations. Tasks require highly prescribed spreads. So we will discuss about so many things in my previous topic. What is ICT, aims, utility, abbreviation, use. Now we have come on perfect the main part, the computer classification according to size, the supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, micro and personal computer, notebook computer. So we discuss about what is supercomputer. Supercomputer are fastest, most powerful and most expensive computer. It has ability to recover automatic from failure. It has ability to support several gigabytes of RAM. Unlike convocational computers, which have single processor to process instruction time, supercomputer have multiple processor or CPU to process multiple instruction at a time. The supercomputers are widely used in scientific applications such as academic designing and simulation to process geographical data. One of the most powerful supercomputers today, Cry2, and some Cry1, Cry2, MPX, PASEC. And I explained in our Gujarat University one supercomputer available in biobotany department. He is doing excellent work with various activities. One time he is doing so many research activities. So supercomputer is have a single processor unit to instruction at a time, but supercomputer have multiple processor and multiple instruction follow and do work with good feedback. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computer is usually so less powerful and less expensive compared on supercomputer. Very large size, approx 1000 square feet area. Mainframe is several million instructions as follow IMPS more than remote workstation can be accompanied by typical family computer. Mini computer. These are also general purpose of computer, smaller than main computer. Medium sized computer occupying approximately 10 square feet. They have slow operation speed, smaller backup storage, limited hardware, and less memory. Mini computers are well developed and functional, such accounting, word processing, database management, statistical package, and social science. Microcomputer. The microcomputer is smallest, latest, expensive computer. Microcomputer have a smallest memory, less power. Microcomputer also called a personal computer. Notebook. Have a small size. Weight is the notebook. Easy to carry anywhere as a student, as a professor, as a faculty to take with him or her. Her school, her bag with her. Approach of this computer also same the personal computer. It can store a same amount of data had in memory, some size sort of computer. So we discuss about the four types of computers. The classification according to development of stage of generation: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, and also zero generation. First generation computer is generated very big size, slow processing, used vacuum tubes and hardware component. They are consumed hug mount of angry. Make a example of such a computer generation have been every small memory. The second generation computer is 1948 and 49. His semiconductor device named after transmission was developed by a group of three scientists, John Broden, Walter, Platon, and Williams, and Short, in Bell Laboratory. These were great innovation in science. Field of computer-based single transistor was able to replace 100 vacuum tubes and less power consumption. Third generation is computer are used in ICT integrated circuit. There are many hardware. The approximately times of this generation is suppose start from 1996 and from generation computer beacon concept by usually display unit, high speed printer, and magnetic type. Fourth generation computer is where Intel designed the complicated Intel is in 1970 when started VLSI, very large scale integration or processor. History. Fourth generation started. These computers are used in today computer. They are smaller, faster, reachable, and operatable. They are user friendly. The earliest use the hub storage capacity and accurate main of feature of generation. Fifth generation of computers. There are never stop after microprocessors. Scientists are trying to create faster and smaller, more than reliable devices. Known as biochip, gallium oxide gas. After use, which computer have artificial intelligence (AI) to make a computer able to think to human. Generation of operating zero generation. First generation. Generation is based of development and functional possible set of kinds of time. Zero generation. Zero generation, no operating system, program and operate and coded based machine. The advantage which is the system hand interactive nature. First generation of computer operating system which characterized by mechanics and assembly language storage and program concept. This year also seen introduction of different types input and output is a device. High level language and language somewhere developed. First generation of operating system made program by very job easy and however system is utilized very not effective. Generation of operating system in second generation. It starts with automatically job sequence to page of processing. Offline based processing scrolling system were introduction. FMS, Format Monitoring System, and IBS1, IBM, Type-Based Operating System, 1794 computer are example of typical second generation system. Generation of operating system, the multiprocessing, time sharing, real-time processor. Third generation, multi-programming, time sharing, real-time processing was introduced. Most third generation system are multi-mode system. Same simulated support batch processing, multi-programming, time sharing, and real-time. IBM 360, IBM MVY, and IBM MTV is example. Generation of operating system, fourth generation. The operating system is personal computer database on gain import. This facility is not technical computer used to develop the application without support of program. And other features, pre-writing application software package can be used by directly. Network operating system distributed to operating tool like computing power and user role. Operating system which currently being used for the into generation. The basically fourth generation. The some people are used to in various computer systems. So many professors and experts are using the various Ubuntu based system. He is doing the take command and then after system are working. After that is generation, fourth generation. No need to command. All well set application available in system and we can directly operate the system. Still time we are using the Windows. Is not command based. His application based system and matlab operating system. All packages are available. We do only for operating. No need to single command for the programming language required to operate these types of computer and system. Feature of operating system, multitasking. By ability of operating system handle existing multiple tasks at the time of doing multiple tasks. In the computer, you will do 2 and 3 process. One side we are watching the video, then same time we are working on the system. So multiple tasks. Same thing we are do one plus more work one time called multitasking. So when task is writing for the completion and inactive, that the process meanwhile start executing the next task. While one task writing input her another program should be reading for the hard disk. Feature and operating, multi-programming. An operating system allow many programs to be executed, simulated by different users, known by multi-programmer feature. Text editor, game application, and calculator on computer can be run same time, where the operating system will execute all programs simultaneously. In other words, the ability to perform of 3 tasks, the multi-program, and the ability device to time among the three tasks of multitasking. Basic component and operating system memory manager. The memory management is the mechanism by the operating system handle the request for memory. The operating system allocated memory for the various tasks that users perform. In situation where multiple operations are being performed simultaneously. The operating system manage the system memory is the manner that no clash occurs. After task is completed, the operating system clean up memory by releasing the memory space and other program or task. A multi-program system also be additional functions of managing space is such as very operating system and user not interface those another. Basic component of operating system process manager. The program submit to computer and execution is called as process to enable several processes to run concurrently. An operating system to ration out the microprocessor. And the process manager need to ensure that all programs get fair share time. No program monopolize the microprocessor time. Basic component of operating device manager. An operating system need to manage device attached to the computer. The device manager handle the communication between device and microprocessor. For the example, it handle the communication between microprocessor and the scanner. Basic component of operating system file manager. Computer can store information of various media such as CD, DVD, ROM, hard disk, USB, pen drive. File manager provide the local view of information storage. How many space available? Which types of file available in folders? In storage. Which all types of information? How many GB? On which date? It allows user manage information from files. You can go by type, manage the information. This component work closely help to operating function properly. For example, while saving a file computer, file manager, create new file, the device manager, allocation of physical location for the file. The memory manager ensure that the speed available of memory while the content of file be stored. Types of operating system. Character use of the operating system can be classified into different programs based on their interface and the friendly maintained below. The character use of interface, graphical use of interface, base OS, single user, multi-user, single tasking, multitasking, interactive, time sharing, real-time, and network operating. Types of operating system. Character use of interface. Graphical use of interface. Single user, multiple user, single tasking, multiple tasking. Interactive, real-time sharing. Character use of interface based OS. This OS types of operating system require use of types in instruction for the computer specific format. Then operating system interpret the command and generate it to corresponding computer instruction. Hence, the user need to remember command to interact with computer. This type of operating system also known command line CLI and display data characteristic only textual nature. MS-DOS, single user tasking and unique multi-user explains. Graphical GUI, graphical user interface base of OS is operating system and graphical to manage program easily to use. The graphical user interface menus, pointer, icon, screen, icon, picture, present, application. Is pointer is a symbol which is displayed on monitor. Mouse is used to move the pointer icon and mouse button press to active the application. Graphical user interface operating system is slow, take more hard disk space. MS Windows and Linux are example of this operating system. Interactive. Interactive system is provide the one-line communication between user and system. User give instruction to program or operating system and receive the immediately reply. A keyboard is used to input device to code it relative display a useful get input. When operating system is finished to command, pick the next command not from control but from use of key. The example is window entry. ICT Initiative developed by Ministry of HR. The Government of India, Ministry of HR and various ministries develop so many government initiatives, ICT-based initiatives for higher education, for school education, higher education and lifelong learning. Why MHRD? Why NMICT? The former Ministry of Education until 23 September 1985 is responsible for human research development in India. The ministry divided into two parts. One is higher education and second is school education and literacy. The Department of School Education and Literacy, which deal with primary, secondary and higher secondary education and adult education and literacy. And the Department of Higher Education, which deal with university education, technical education, scholarship, etc. While Ministry of Education now function under two departments as 26 September 1985. The Department of Higher Education is change of secondary, post-secondary education. Department improve the grant deemed university education institute, advice to university grant under section 3 of UGC Act. The Department of Higher Education is the largest higher education system in world after US and China. The department engaged bring world-class opportunity, higher education and research country. So Indian students are not found. The national mission on education